It's easy to set a financial goal. It's much harder to translate this goal into an actual financial strategy. Using this comprehensive financial analysis tool, you will learn how to build a financial roadmap that realizes your goals. The first thing you will do is review your profit and loss for the last 12 months. You'll step through line by line to closely analyze every item. You will then scrutinize your balance sheet, which is something most business owners rarely do. But this is really critical because if the information in your balance sheet is wrong, it's likely the numbers in your P&L are wrong too. The next step is to calculate key financial ratios like gross profit margin and debt ratio. These are calculated using information from your profit and loss and balance sheet. We also introduce the power of one concept, where you can see what a dramatic impact a 1% increase in sales and a 1% decrease in cost of goods sold and operating expenses can have to your net profit. We then start building a high-level budget to make your financial goal a reality. You'll start by defining your profit target, then what your operating expenses will be, including your salary. You will also determine your cost of goods sold, which gives you your revenue target and potential revenue gap. Building your budget involves a deep dive into your business expenses. This involves projecting out your cost of goods sold and your operating expenses over the next 12 months. This is where many business owners find major cost savings. To realize your financial goal, you will need to scrutinize your revenue model. In this tab, you'll tweak the price and the volume for each product, package, or service that you offer, so you can see exactly how you can achieve your forecasted revenue by breaking it into sales targets for the next 12 months. In the next two tabs, we help you to answer two critical questions. Do you have enough capacity in your team to achieve your financial goal? And when can you afford to hire more staff? Firstly, you will identify the total cost of all employees in your business. This includes wages and salary packages, including super, additional benefits, and commissions. You'll also identify how many hours each employee works in a year. After entering your human resources information, you can now set a productivity target for each person and determine how much revenue the business is able to generate. This is called your revenue capacity. Now we pull all of this information together into a comprehensive budget for the next 12 months. This financial roadmap will drive your business towards achieving its goals. We recommend entering these finalized figures into your accounting software so you can track your actual figures against your budgeted figures. Lastly, we check the impact on your cash flow and create a big picture forecast. This is your projected cash position as a result of your financial strategy. You will be able to determine if you have enough cash to support your budget. For more information about this tool or to find out more about Acceler8's financial education workshops, please visit www.acceler8program.com.au.